Raise your legs for 15 minutes a day and be amazed by the results. This simple daily practice can improve various health conditions. It requires little effort, yet the results are truly noteworthy. You've probably heard about healthy habits like drinking lemon water or taking daily walks. However, many are unaware of the health benefits of daily leg elevation. Here are the advantages. Relaxation. Leg elevation relieves tension and relaxes muscles. Stress reduction. It also reduces stress, impacting both physical and mental health. Improved leg circulation. Elevating legs enhances blood flow in the lower limbs, preventing swelling, varicose veins and venous issues. Enhanced brain oxygenation. Better circulation improves overall health, including brain oxygenation. Digestive aid. Leg elevation aids digestion, preventing post-meal discomfort. Pain relief. Elevation alleviates pain in various situations, like night leg cramps, headaches, and osteoarthritis. Fluid drainage. This practice reduces fluid retention in the legs and feet. If you are unsure how to start, it's quite simple. Just raise your legs for about 10 to 20 minutes. You can lie on the floor and prop your legs against the wall or elevate them with a pillow or cushion. It's best done at the end of the day when you've completed most of your daily tasks. If you often experience leg pain at the day's end, leg elevation might be what you need to ease the discomfort.